Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike coming to you from, no, we're not in Naples. We are in Tulsa, Oklahoma. This is one of my favorite places on earth. This is the Copart Auto Auction. It is a gigantic lot with all kinds of cars and trucks. We are checking out some of the cool ones. Nice little Challenger right over there. They have a little bit of everything. Looks like an old Volkswagen EOS down there. Maybe we could check out. I don't know. We're just going to walk up and down and see what we find. And of course, we may have to throw a Mercedes into the mix. Yeah, let's do it. Let's talk about this Mercedes ML350 from 2008. You got to be careful of those engines. Yep, they got the balance shaft problems. How do I know? I have an 05 SLK 350, and I'm really worried about that engine. This one is, it says lost type unknown, but as I poke around here, you know what I'm doing? I'm pointing out all of the hail dings and then some major, I don't know what happened here. Somebody bumped into it here, but there are little dings everywhere. This is actually cracked right there. And it looks like this has been painted. This truck has led a very hard life. I can just tell by looking at her. She needs someone to come in and love her. She really does. The tires are terribly bald. 4 different kinds. We have power, which is a huge surprise. But the inside, this looks nice. This is okay. And the smell, it's very floral. That's a good way to describe it. Okay, let's go down. I know you don't want to, but let's see if, okay, we'll push your button. Are you gonna close for us? You are. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Ding, 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 ding. So the storm came from this away and got her. Let's see what the back seat looks like. Well, back seat looks new. This is, ooh, they even have fancy floor mats. Why would you put fancy floor mats in here and then just not take care of the outside? She hasn't been waxed in years. This could be something I'm interested in. Look at this. Look at that. You've got a little wear and tear right here. It's nothing major. The dash is not cracked. We have 186,538 miles. So let's just see. Someone's trying the zip tie effect right here. Here we go. Are you going to start for me? Come on. Oh! Did you hear that? That was terrible. We got the check engine light on. And the check engine light is flashing. That's not a good sign. This could be the balance shaft issue. She goes into driving reverse. She doesn't like it when she does that though. Look how comfortable this is. These seats are really nice. They are very comfortable. They are heated. Let's see what we listen to on the radio. Oh. Well, we didn't listen to anything on the radio. We got nothing. Well, this is another common issue. These radios, and even on the GL, the larger one. I had what was mine? 09 or something, 10? GL 450, bigger engine, had radio problems. That's bad. Usually what happens though, sometimes there's a weather band and you can select it and it'll play, but not.
711 8800.
Oh, whoa.
Delightful Conan O'Brien Needs a Friend podcast.
Whoa.
Some of the most absurd and hilarious moments from my decades on television.
Okay, so you do get satellite. You don't know what you're listening to though. You get 0 AM or FM stations. Okay, we'll just power you down. All right, let's take a look at under the hood and see what she's got. It's clean. We have had some coolant issues right there. But she's just not very happy. Listen to her. And they've got this duct taped. See, if you remove this, that goes part of your sound. Look at how clean. I just don't think she's running on all of the cylinders. I think we have an issue here. Does this scare me a little bit? Because to fix the balance shaft, the engine has to come out. And that's a long way to travel. This is broken too. That's really out of shape. Okay. Wow. All right, this is an iffy vehicle. With some previous damage. Yeah, she's had a hard life. She's tried. She's really tried hard. But I will write the number down and we'll watch the auction. We'll just kind of see what happens. But this is vehicle number 1. How about another contender? Yeah, take a look at this. 2014 Dodge Durango in white. I kind of like it. I mean, it's kind of a basic white with the chrome and probably a tan interior, I'm thinking. Let's look for damage. The wheels, though, these are humongous. I move Gen 2 tires. These are 20s. Yep, a lot of tread on this one. No damage here. No damage. Looks like you got nitrogen maybe inside the tires. There is tread on the rear tires. Here we go. Oh, this is the limited Durango. Yes, yes. We have a little dent right here. Some paint is coming off right here. I move Gen 2 tire here with lots of tread on it. We have a spider web. Get rid of that. And another I move Gen 2. Where's the damage? Why are you here? It doesn't say anything about a loss type or anything at all. So let's just take a look on the inside. Now, in 2011, they redesigned this. In 2014, you got the new entertainment system, which was nice, and you got a new 8-speed transmission. Previously, I think it was a 6-speed, and you didn't get the best gas mileage. So with 8 speeds, your gas mileage improved, and this thing can tow 1,000 to 2,000 pounds more than its competitors. Let's just see what's going to happen. Oh, she sounds good. Okay. We have service tire pressure system. We are almost out of gasoline. Oil change is required. What else? Give me something else. Can I go through this quickly? Okay to enter setup. No, I don't want to do that. Service tire pressure system, FM 103. Give me a mileage. 17 miles per gallon. Okay, you need some tire pressure sensors. There's your speedometer. Okay, let's just, where's my, I want to find the miles here, dude. Come on. Maybe you got to close the door. Ooh, that door didn't like to be closed. What's wrong? Okay. There you go. 196,000 miles. Yes. So this is the new Uconnect that you get starting this year. Oh, we got to accept. K-Jams. That's a nice local urban station. Bow, 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 bow. Yep, that's good stuff. All right, that's all we can listen to. That song. Let's see if she's going to drive. There we go. She goes into drive. She goes into reverse. And she parks thanks to this. Ugh. It's a little sticky. It is a little sticky. Automatic. Let's go way down in the temperature department, see if the AC. She's moaning and groaning up there. That's kind of weird. she's got a lot of miles on her. And the air conditioner. Here we go. Let's see if it works. I'm not feeling any cold air. I'm really not. And these seats are way back. These are way, way, way back. Before we run out of gas, let's go ahead and check the engine. Let's do that real quick. Okay. Yeah, she's not getting cold. There's the hood release. There it is. Here you go. So we have a 3.6 liter. Oh, okay. Well, that's interesting. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? It doesn't look like a Hemi, but it's quiet. And we're missing this, so someone has been messing around here. Coolant looks good. Windshield washer, that's your brake fluid right there. It looks okay. But look how steady this is. If you watched in the earlier video, we had a Toyota RAV4 that was just shaking like this at way, way, way less mileage. This old American V6 is doing fine. She's doing really well. All right, let me know what you think about the Durango. I do like how they added the stripes right here. That's cool. And finally, yep, it would be a bummer video if we didn't have a better Beamer in it. Yeah, this is the little 328i. Do you like these still? I love the E46s. I love the older ones. These are kind of iffy. Maybe I've just been turned off by the brand because this is a 2011 328i. I had the 135i with the twin turbo and the really expensive brakes, and that thing just drove me crazy. It really, really did. I fought that thing for years and finally sold it. This needs paint. I don't see body damage, okay? We're losing our clear coat and everything on the top. The inside of this, though, I can tell you, is gorgeous. It's this brown, the basketball brown that I like. Look at that. And it smells like leather conditioner. That's a great sign. That is a good sign. And I see a light on, so I think that we have power. Well, we can't get in here. Well, okay, so we do need to add a couple of kidney grills. When you get this painted, this is bent just a little bit. And you got a nice little crack in the windshield. Right there. And it goes all the way across. So you need a windshield. Loss type is minor, dents, and scratches. I love the inside of this, though. Man, it's just the color. Sometimes you got to look past just the color, the superficial things. The true beauty lies inside, right? Let's find out. The true beauty lies inside. Let's find out. It doesn't want to start. What is wrong? Service. It's not starting. Oh, come on, baby. Do it, do it, do it. Give me a start. Oh, sugar daddy. So this could be a problem. We got all kinds of books. Oh, there's your battery booster. We have power. All the lights are on. Okay, we can move the steering wheel down. We got 158,000 miles. But just know, what's wrong? Let's try. No. She doesn't want to start. How interesting is that? She really doesn't want to. Okay, well, this is not going to take long at all. Battery charge level low. But is there just not enough to give us a start? Oh, come on. Okay, we've wiggled some of the cables on the battery in the trunk. Let's just kind of see what's going to happen. Give me a start. Come on, please. No. She doesn't like, something's going on. So we won't start in park. What about neutral? No. So she no starts. Which means we have to end the video, because what can we do in here other than sweat to death? Yeah, that's a no-go for us. Unfortunately, we can't get her to start. I need to do some Googling, but I love this model. I think the interior right here, it's beautiful. It really is gorgeous. But it's a no start, so it's a no can do, I think, for me right now. We will write down the number and kind of watch the auction, which is what you can do as well. Hopefully I'm giving you some great ideas on vehicles that you can have, you can buy, you can purchase, you can drive, you can fix, you can love, just like I do. You don't have to be a dealer. Just sign up, pay your little fee, and then watch the auction online, and you can get the cars delivered from here right to your door. Anyway, don't think that I'm only doing walk-around videos right now, because I have projects at home. I'm waiting for parts to arrive. I had some other stuff kind of going on in my life that has just sucked all the money right out of my wallet. So we're dealing with some other things right now. We'll get through it. We will survive. But I am also fixing cars. Yes, I have the Mercedes, the old 1969 280 SC that I'm working on. I have the Mercedes E320 wagon that sat in the field for years and years. I got it for $400. I'm driving it now, but we do have to do a little work on that as well. And the Volvo, yes, the Volvo I took up and down the road, and it was like this. So we have an issue to fix. It was stumbling really bad. I think it's vacuum related, so it's not that serious, but we're going to have a video coming up on that. So stay tuned, is what I'm saying. All right, everybody. We'll see you very, very soon. Thanks for watching these. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you again, okay? Bye-bye.